Did you know you can negotiate your own divorce settlement? Many couples are unaware of this option, which can save time and money. By maintaining control, you avoid costly legal fees and ensure a fair outcome. Amicable discussions can lead to a fair settlement. If you and your spouse can communicate effectively, you can finalize your divorce quickly. It's all about clear communication and mutual understanding. Understand what needs to be included: assets, debts, support, and custody. These are crucial components of any settlement. Ensure everything is in writing to prevent future misunderstandings. A properly formatted marital settlement agreement, MSA, is essential. Without it, the court may reject your case, causing delays. Avoid this by ensuring all legal documents are clear and complete. Don't assume verbal agreements are enough for court approval. Unclear paperwork can lead to delays and frustration. Learn from couples who wasted money on unnecessary legal battles due to incomplete agreements. Many couples start with lawyers and end up spending thousands. By negotiating yourselves, you maintain control and avoid disputes. This approach can save you time and money, leading to a faster resolution. Explore how Divorce 661 can assist in drafting court-approved agreements. Our expertise ensures a fast, fair, and stress-free divorce process. Consider a free consultation to guide you through the complexities. Take control of your divorce process today. By choosing self-negotiation, you'll achieve a fair settlement without the hassle. Visit divorce661.com and start your journey towards a new beginning.